One mistake a lot of roofers make during inspections is that they only focus on what they see and not on how to explain what they see. To the roofer, the issue is obvious, but to the property manager, it's usually not obvious. And that matters because a valuable inspection is not just spotting the issue. A valuable inspection actually helps the client understand what is urgent, what's not urgent, what's causing the issue, what the next step should be, and what happens if they wait. That's what makes the inspection useful. A lot of roofers can actually find the problem really easily, but not a lot of them can communicate it in a way that builds trust. And in multifamily, trust is everything. The contractor who explains clearly becomes easier to remember, easier to trust, and easier to call again. So if you want more repeat work, start treating your inspections like a communication opportunity, not just a technical one.